Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, everything is in the green and is able to hold on to this momentum rather than breaking down again. Now keep in mind there might be a little bit of a downturn left as we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event, which is only about 4 days away. Now if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, you can see that the trading volume is still well above the $3 billion mark and we're closing in on the tones market cap. On the other end, you guys can see Hong Kong just approves the Bitcoin ETF. Now Dogecoin road to the golden cross is about to cross, and at the same time the trading volume or the open interest is starting to exceed. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are talking about Dogecoin, higher social engagement, more whales buy into it, it starts backing up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, I want to talk to you guys about something important. So today the whole market was able to make a little bit of recovery. Now with the recovery also Bitcoin has exceeded the 66k mark and it is going closer and closer to the 70k. Now while Bitcoin is going up, you guys can see also Doge is following pretty closely. Now Doge is fallen one slot behind as Toncoin has taken over, but keep in mind the trading volume for Dogecoin is a lot more, 5 times more, suggesting that we might be getting a switch again very soon. And once that switch is done, most likely now Dogecoin will not be slowing down as 420 is getting so close, which is going to be Doge Day. At the same time, this is a big news. Hong Kong has approved Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. A wave of new money from the East is entering the crypto. These are the mostly investors who are used to more conservative investment and are from who crypto volatility was too much of a risk. They're usually older people, manage a significant amount of money, but they are not willing to take the gamble with crypto. But with the ETF, a lot more money will be flowing into crypto, and this will be going live at the end of April. And you know what else is going live at the end of April? Coinbase's futures for Dogecoin on the 29th of April. So you guys can see there is a lot of things tying together for the whole crypto market and specifically Dogecoin price to be affected in a positive way. But this is a very good news because not just Bitcoin ETF but also Ethereum ETF has been approved by the East. Now Dogecoin's road to the golden cross. Crypto analyst shares his take on the bull market milestone. Now this is really interesting. Why? Because if you pay attention, the golden cross is being doing pretty well. Pending weekly golden cross, we are still multiple weeks upwards price action away from achieving its bull market milestone, and the milestone in 2 red weeks in a row have caused us to be slightly scared but need green soon to get back on track. I mean, at the rate we're going, most likely this will be happening very soon. And you guys can see that the fear to the greed index is slowly starting to get a little bit to the center, which is actually a good thing because this will cause a lot of heavy investors to buy in, and that's going to cause a positive impact on the price of Dogecoin. On the other end, you guys can see this was the actual thing that was actually covered in the article. Now if we talk about the open interest, it is up about 3% today. It's still not exceeded the 1 billion mark, but still it's doing quite well. If we talk about the liquidations, you guys will realize that liquidations have had a little bit of a more balanced look on it now, as shorts and long are pretty evened out. And if we look at the long to the short ratio, you can see the ratio is slowly starting to favor the short traders compared to the long traders. I mean, comparatively, yes, the long traders are much more, but compared to yesterday when it was close to 73 to 27, the shorts are a little bit better. Now if we talk about the price action, you guys can see that the price is still in a slant uptrend. Now what scared the market completely is when it broke below this zone, which was close to 16.9, and you guys can see that slowly we're trying to recover back into that zone. And you can see right there, that's where we were rejected. Pretty much when we hit that resistance barrier, we were rejected. Now we will go into a little bit of consolidation, and once we break above this line, we will be able to see more positive impact on the price of Dogecoin. At the rate we're going, most likely this price action will be happening very soon, because 420 is getting closer and closer. I mean, and the crazy part is it is pretty much on the same day that we will be seeing the Bitcoin halving event. Now, if you guys are in the market for the first time and you do not know what happens on the Bitcoin halving event, well, most likely we will be receiving a little bit of a downtrend. So make sure you guys are ready for that. It is going to be a little scary day, as it is going to be extremely volatile. And since the CPI data has come in, you guys can see all the markets open today, and even the stock market is in quite a big red. I mean, Tesla stocks have fallen back to the 160 zone. Now, to Dogecoin fan, what helps you not be poor? And unpredictable as it is, history shows that one factor of the market never changes: people. Because people get very scared, and then the exchanges has had to suspend operations from July 2014 until 2015. After opening, the prices started to go up, even though the war was just heating up. And the same thing happened again. Now there are so many people that like to just go to stuff and then simply, just bet. They think that's a better idea compared to investing in something like crypto. I mean, you guys can see COVID first wave, and you guys can see the price was down 53%. But what happened after? Big money move. And the same thing is happening as we are here. Now, Bitcoin halving event is getting very close. It's down only 10% comparatively, and you can see it's not that big of a deal. Now, another thing which is interesting is the meme coin rally held. Can Doge and SHIB surge by 100% in post halving? Just keep in mind the next 4 days are super important. When I say super important, what I mean is the whole market is going to be very unpredictable. If you guys are traders and you leverage trade, I would recommend taking a little bit of a break, because the market will be so volatile. It's better to just wait for the halving event to come to an end, and after that, most likely the market will see bullish sentiments return very quickly. Now, Dogecoin rise to 20 cents. What investors need to know? Well, in simple terms, this price action will be returning very soon, especially this time when we break above the 22-cent barrier, which will be somewhere here. We will be seeing a lot more positive movement, and most likely before the end of this season, we will be seeing a new all-time high from Dogecoin. That will not surprise many people, and if we make it to the all-time high, it's already a 300% gain from where we are sitting right now. Now, Dogecoin trends and the price prediction, what you should know. Well, right now the price prediction in short term should be sitting close to 15 to 18 cents, but once the Bitcoin halving event comes to an end, most likely we will be seeing a positive trend, which a lot of you guys are waiting for and you want to see. Now, Dogecoin falls 13%. What is here to come? Well, in simple terms, this is a crypto market. If you want something that's more stabilized and does not go so explosive in single day, then it's better to go with the stock market. With crypto, you will be experiencing things like this. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.